Hi students, today we are going to learn about the topic test of divisibility of numbers. It will help you to how to check the divisible of a certain numbers. Okay, then I will explain with the help of some example. Our first test of divisibility of numbers is 2. Then by 2, there are some conditions for test of divisibility of numbers. Our first section is by 2. In by 2, we are using the ones place values. Ones place values are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In ones place values are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. It is divisible by 2. Our first condition, how we can check the divisibility by 2. In that cases, we are using ones place values are in these numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In these number, that value is divisible by 2. For example, consider number 72. In this number, which is the ones place value? Yes, 2 is the ones place value. That is included in this condition because ones place values are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In these values, it is divisible by the number 2. So, 72, the ones place value is 2. So, 72 is divisible by 2. Okay, then another example. Consider number 68. Here the number ones place value is 8. So ones place value is in these conditions. Here the conditions are the ones place values are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 etc. It is divisible by the number 2. So in these cases include the number 8. Here 68 ones place value is 8. So it is divisible by 2. Then consider another number 173. In 173, ones place value is 3. Okay, this condition is satisfied by the test of divisibility of 2? No. Then our third example, consider number 173. In 173, the ones place value is 3. It is included the test of divisibility by 2? No, the test of divisibility by 2 we are using only these numbers. So, in this section there is not included the number 3. So, it is not divisible. Then in that case, it's not divisible by 2. Then one more example, consider the number 685. Okay, in this number which is the ones place value, here the ones place value is 5. In this number is included these numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. No, this number is 5. So, this number 685 is not divisible by 2. Okay, then our first is test of divisibility of the number 2. The condition is that ones place values are given the numbers ones place values are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In this number it is divisible by 2. Our first example, take the number 72. In 72 the ones place value is 2. So it is included the case of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it is divisible by 2. Therefore 72 is divisible by 2. Our second example, take the number 68. Then in 68, ones place value is 8. So 8 is included in these conditions. So it is divisible by 2. Then our third example, 173. Then ones place value is 3. Here there is 3. No, in this section there is not included the number 3. So 173 is not divisible by 2. Then last and final example, consider the number 685. The ones place value is 5. 5 is included in these numbers? No. Therefore, 685 is not divisible by 2. So, in the case of test of divisibility of number by 2, the ones place values are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In these numbers, it is divisible by the number 2. Other numbers are not allowed to divisible by 2. Okay, then our next test of divisibility is by 3. Then our second test of divisibility of the number 3. How we can check the test of divisibility of the number 3? The condition is that when given the numbers of the sum of the given numbers are included in 3's table, 3's multiplication table. So that number is divisible by 3. Okay, given the numbers, some of the given numbers are included in 3's multiplication table. Some of the given numbers are included in the 3's multiplication table. It is divisible by the number 3. Our first examples. Consider the number 6582. Then test of divisibility of the number 3. By 3, the sum of given numbers included in 3's table, it is divisible by 3. Consider the example given the number 6582. First we find out its sum. That means 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 2. Okay, then 6 plus 5 equal 11. 11 plus 8 equal 19. 19 plus 2 equal 21. Is 21 is included in 3's table? Yes, 3 sevens are 21. So it is divisible by the number 3. (21) is included in 3's table. That means 3 sevens are 21. So 21. That means 6582 is divisible by the number 3. Then consider one more example. Take the number 724. Then we are checking the divisibility by 3. When we are adding the given numbers, then we get the answer of that number. It is included in 3's table. So in that cases, it is divisible by the number 3. So adding these numbers, 7 plus 2 plus 4. Then 7 plus 2 equal 9. 9 plus 4 equal 13. Is it 13 is included in 3's table? No. So in that case, 724 is not divisible by 3. So 724 is not divisible by the number 3. Then one more example. Consider the number 7389. First we are adding these numbers. That means 7 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9. Then 7 plus 3 equal 10. 10 plus 8 equal 18. 18 plus 9 equal 27. Is the number 27 is included in 3's table? Yes, 9 3's are 27. Then 3 multiplied by 9 equal 27. So 7389 is divisible by the number 3. Okay, then how we can check the number of divisibility by 3? We are given the numbers, we are adding that numbers. That number is included in 3's multiplication table. In that cases, that number is divisible by 3. Consider the example 6582. First we are adding that number 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 2. So in that numbers we are adding, get the number is 21. Is 21 is included in 3's table. That means 3 sevens are 21. So the number 6582 is divisible by the number 3. Then our second example, take the number 724. We are adding that number 7 plus 2 plus 4. Then we get the number as 13. Is 13 is included in 3's table? No. So 724 is not divisible by the number 3. Then our last example, take the number 7389. First we are adding that number 7 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9. Then we get the answer as 27. The 27 is included in 3's table. That means 3 9's are 27. So the number 7389 is divisible by the number 3. Okay. Then our next test of divisibility of the number by 6. When we are checking the number by 6, we are checking the two conditions. That is, first is checking the divisibility by 2. The next is checking the divisibility by 3. That means when first is checking the divisibility by 2 and another is divisibility by the number 3. That means 2 3s are 6. We are checking the divisibility by 2 and checking the divisibility by 3. Both these two conditions are satisfied. It is divisible by the number 6. Then which step is the divisible? Check the divisibility by the number 2. In 2's divisibility, we are checking the numbers. 1's place values are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In these numbers, it is divisible by the number 2. Then check the divisibility by 3. Sum of the given numbers. Sum of the given numbers included in 3's table. It is divisible by the number 3. In these two conditions are satisfied, we are getting the divisibility by the number 6. Okay, I will explain with the help of some example. Our first example, take the number 6594. First, we are checking the divisibility of the number 2. Divisibility by 2. Then how we can check the divisibility by 2? The 1's place value is included the number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That is divisible by the number 2. Here our 1's place value is 4. 6594. Our 1's place value is 4. So the condition satisfied by the divisibility of 2. Therefore it is divisible by the number 2. Divisible by the number 2. Okay, then next we are checking the divisibility by the number 3. Then how we can check the divisibility by the number 3? When we are the given numbers, we are adding, that answer is included in which table? 3's table. Here our number is 6594. So adding this number, 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 4. Then 6 plus 5 equal 11. 11 plus 9 equal 20. 20 plus 4 equal 24. Is 24 is included in 3's table? Yes, 3 8s are 24. So it is divisible by the number 3. Divisible by the number 3. Therefore our two conditions are satisfied, divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. The number 6594. So therefore it is divisible by the number 6594 is divisible by the number 6. Once again, I explain this example. Checking the divisibility by 6. We are first checking the divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 3. Then that two conditions are satisfied. This number is also divisible by the number 6. Given the example 6594. First we are checking the divisibility by 2. Our divisibility by 2 checking conditions are when we are adding. 1's place value is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then it is divisible by the number 2. Here our 1's place value is 4. So it is divisible by 2. Next we are checking the divisibility by 3. How we can check the divisibility by 3? When given numbers are adding, we get the answer is included in 3's table. Here our number is 6594. So we are adding this number 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 4. Then we get the answer as 24. 24 is included in 3's table. So it is divisible by the number 3. So both the conditions are satisfied by the number 6594. Therefore that number is divisible by the number 6. Then our next example, check the divisibility by the number 43,212. Then first we are checking in this number, first we are checking divisibility by 2, then checking divisibility by 3. Both the two conditions are satisfied. It is divisible by the number 6. Okay, then first checking the divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. Then the divisibility by 2 means when the given numbers 1's place value is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That number is divisible by 2. Here our number is 1's place value is 2. So it is divisible by the number 2. Therefore 43,212 is divisible by 2. Then next checking the divisibility by the number 3. How we can check the divisibility by the number 3? when we are adding the given numbers. That means 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. 4 plus 3 equal 7. 7 plus 2 equal 9. 9 plus 1 equal 10. 10 plus 2 equal 12. 12 is included in 3's table. Yes, 3 4s are 12. So it is divisible by the number 3. So both the conditions are satisfied, divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Therefore, the number 43,212 is divisible by 6. How we can check the divisibility by the number 6? First we are checking its number is satisfied by the divisibility of 2 and 3. Then both conditions are satisfied. It is divisible by the number 6. Here our example is 43,212. Then test the divisibility by 2. We are taking the number 1's place value is 2. Our condition is that 1's place values are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in these numbers. So it is divisible by 2. So our number 1's place value is 2. That's why we are writing it is divisible by the number 2. Then checking the divisibility by the number 3. How we can check the divisibility by the number 3? Then we are adding the given numbers. Then in that number we get the answer is included in 3's table. In that cases it is divisible by the number 3. Here the number is 43,212. We are adding this number 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. So we get the answer as 12. 12 is included in 3's table. So it is divisible by 3. Therefore, we are checking the divisibility by the number 2 and 3. Both the conditions are satisfied. Therefore, 43,212 is divisible by the number 6. Then our next section is test of divisibility of the number by 3. It is the same way of how we can check the divisibility of the number 3. In divisibility of the number 3, we are checking the sum of given numbers is included in 3's table. The same way here we are checking the sum of given numbers is included in 9's table. Okay. Then in 3's divisibility, the sum of given numbers is included in 3's table. 9's divisibility, sum of given numbers is included in 9's table. Then our first example, consider the number 7,389. So first we are find out the sum of given numbers. That means 7 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9. Then 7 plus 3 equal 10. 10 plus 8 equal 18. 18 plus 9 equal 27. Is the number 27 is included in 9's table? Yes, 9 3's are 27. So, this number is divisible by the number 9. Divisible by 9. Okay, then the sum of given numbers is included in 9's table. In that cases, that number is divisible by the number 9. First example, consider number 7,389. We are adding these numbers, then we get the number as 27. 27 is included in 9's table. So, the number 7,389 is divisible by 9. Then one more example, consider number 7,809. First we are adding the given number 7 plus 8 plus 0 plus 9. Then 7 plus 8 equal 15. 15 plus 9 equal 24. Then 24 is included in 9's table? No. So, it is not divisible by the number 9. Not divisible by 9. Then our second example, take the number 7,809. We are adding these numbers 7 plus 8 plus 0 plus 9. We are adding this number, we get the number as 24. There, this number 24 is not included in 9's table. So, in that case, 7,809 is not divisible by the number 9. Then one more example, consider number 78,165. Then in these cases, then checking the divisibility by 9, we are adding these numbers. Given number 7 plus 8 plus 1 plus 6 plus 5. Okay, 7 plus 8 equal 15. 15 plus 1 equal 16. 16 plus 6 equal 22. 22 plus 5 equal 27. Yes, 27 is included in 9's table. 9 3s are 27. So the number is divisible. Okay, therefore 78,165 is divisible by the number 9. So the test of divisibility of the number 9, we are adding the given numbers. That number is included in 9's table. So the answer is divisible by the number 9. Both are same cases of 9 and 3. In that both cases, we are adding the given numbers. That number is included in 3's table. It is divisible by the number 3. Included in 9's table. It is divisible by the number 9. Okay, then our next test of divisibility of the number 5 and 10. Then our next test of divisibility of numbers by 5 and 10. In test of divisibility by 5, our ones place values are 5 or 10. Ones place values of 5 or 10. 5 or 0. It is divisible by the number 5. Then in 10's divisibility, our ones place values are 0. Okay. Then test of divisibility of the number by 5 and 10. That condition is that by 5, the ones place values are 5 or 0. That means in our 5's table, 5, 10, 15, 20, etc. That's order. So the ones place values are 0 or 5. That case is 5's divisibility. And in ones place value is only 0. That means in our 10's table, the values are 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. That means the ones place values are 0. In that cases, it is divisible by the number 10. Then our first example for the checking divisibility by the number 5. Our first example. Take the number 75. 75 is divisible by the number 5. Yes, ones place value is 5. Ones place value 5. So the number 75 is divisible by 5. Then take the number 80. Then 80, in this number ones place value is 0. So the condition is that ones place values is 5 or 0. It is included by the divisibility of the number 5. Therefore 80 is also divisible by 5. Then one more example, take the number 95. So the ones place value is 5. So it is divisible by the number 5. Okay. Then in the same cases, take the number of divisibility by 10. Same example taking our 75. Then 75 is divisible by the number 10? No. The condition is that ones place value is 0. Only 0. In that cases, it is divisible by the number 10. Here our ones place value is 5. So it is not divisible. Not divisible by the number 10. Then our next example, take the number 80. Then in that cases, our ones place value is 0. So our condition is that ones place value is 0. Only 0. That cases, it is divisible by the condition of 10. So this number 80 is divisible by 10. Then next we are taking the number 720. Then here ones place value is 0. Yes. So our condition is that 10 ones place value is including the number 0. It is divisible by the number 720 is divisible by the number 10. So the test of divisibility of the number by 5 and 10. In the case of 5, the ones place values are included the numbers 5 or 0. 5 or 0, it is divisible by the number 5. Then the test of divisibility of the number 10, the ones place value is included only 0. Okay, in that cases, both the numbers are test of divisibility by 5 and 10. Then our next test of divisibility of the number by 4. In that cases, we are taking the last 2 digits. Then taking last 2 digits, that numbers divided by the number 4. For example, take the number 1072. Here our last 2 digit is 72. So take the number 72 and using divided by the number 4. Okay. Then last 2 digit divided by the number 4 in this number 1072. The last 2 digit is 72. Then 72 by 4. Then in 1 4s are 4. Then 7 minus 4 equal 3. Then our next number 2. Then in 4th table 32 get 8 times. Then 8 4s are 32. Then 32 minus 32 equal 0. So we get the remainder as 0. That means 18 multiplied by 4 equal 72. In that cases, it is divisible by the number 4. Divisible by the number 4. Okay. Then we are... That means by checking the divisibility of the numbers by 4, take the last 2 digit and we are using that 2 digit divided by the number 4. We get the remainder as 0. In that cases, it is divisible by the number 4. Then take one more example. Take the number 934. Then the last 2 digit is 34. 34 is included in 4th table? No. Then we are dividing 34 by 4. Then in 4th table there is no 34. So we do not get remainder as 0. Then anyway we are using the division of this number 34 by 4. Then in 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24. 4 7s are 28, then 4 8s are 32, then 4 8 32, then we get the remainder as 2. Then our remainder is 2. Here we want the remainder is 0. So it is not divisible by the number 4. It is not divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Okay. Then in test of divisibility of the number by 4, we are taking the last 2 digit. In this problem, our last 2 digit is 34. 34 is not divisible by the number 4. We are getting the remainder as 2. Therefore, it is not divisible by 4. Our first example, take the number 1072. Last 2 digit is 72. We are using 72 by 4. Our remainder is 0. In that cases, it is divisible by the number 4. When we are getting division by 4, our remainder is 0. So, it is divisible by 4. There is not getting the remainder 0. It is not divisible by the number 4. Only remember the case that in divisibility by the number 4, we are taking last 2 digit. Okay. Then our next test of divisibility by 8. Then our next test of divisibility of the number by 8. In that cases, we are taking last 3 digit. That digit is using to divided by 8. We get the remainder as 0. It is divisible by the number 8. Then consider one example. Take the number 10,728. In that case, the last 3 digit is 728. Then 728 divided by 8. Then 8 9s are 72. Then 72 minus 72, 0. Then 8, 1 8 is 8. Then 8 minus 8 equals 0 when we get the remainder as 0. So the number 10,728 is divisible by the number 8. Okay. Then checking the divisibility by 4, we are taking last 2 digit and using divided by 4. When we get the remainder as 0, it is divisible by the number 4. In the same way, here we are taking last 3 digit. It is using divided by 8. When we get the remainder as 0, that number is divisible by 8. Then one more example. Then take the number 45,136. Here last 3 digit is 136. Then using division by 8. Then 8. Then 1 8 equal 8. Then 13 minus 8 equal 5. Then 6. Then 8 sevens are 56. Then 56 minus 56 equals 0. Again we get the remainder 0. Therefore 45,136 is divisible by the number 8. Okay, then test of divisibility by the number. We are taking last 3 digit and using that digit divided by the number 8. When we get the remainder 0, that number is divisible by the number 8. Okay. Then today we are taking the test of divisibility of the number. Our first number is by 2. In the case of test of divisibility of the number by 2, our ones place values are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In these numbers included in our given number, ones place value. So that number is divisible by the number 2. Then our second condition, then our second test of divisibility of the number 3 and 9. Both the numbers are same condition. Then in the case of 3, when we are given the numbers, we are find out its adding of that number. Then we get the answer is included in 3's table or 9's table. Both numbers are included in divisibility by 3 and 9. Okay. The next test of divisibility by the number 6. Then by checking the test of divisibility of the number 6, we are checking two conditions. First we checking the divisibility of the number 2. Then checking the divisibility of the number 3. That means 2 3's are 6. Our 2's divisibility, 1's place value 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 included. That is divisible by the number 2. Then in 3's condition, we are adding all these numbers. Then we are getting the answer is included in 3's table. It is divisible by the number 3. Both condition, divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 3 are satisfied. Then it is divisibility by the number 6. Then test of divisibility by the number 5 and 10. In the case of 5, the ones place value is 0 or 5. It is divisible by the number 5. Then in the case of divisibility by 10, the ones place value is included in 0. Okay. The next test of divisibility of the numbers 4 and 8. In the case of 4, we are taking last 2 digit. Last 2 digit is divided by the number 4. When we get the remainder 0, it is divisible by the number 4. In the case of divisibility by the number 8, when we are taking last 3 digit, it is divided by the number 8. Then we get the remainder 0. In that cases, it is divisible by the number 8. So, I hope all of you understood today's test of divisibility of numbers class. Then children, thank you.